Hello guys, how are you? And welcome back. And today, let's talk about AI engineering, and specifically the top 4 programming languages that you need to learn to become an AI engineer. But before that, let's make one difference clear. What is the difference between machine learning engineer and AI engineer? Machine learning engineer, the role of the machine learning engineer is to train machine learning products mainly using data and compute, and then deploy them to production. But then AI engineer has specific role of taking these pre-trained models and then using them to build products that are also later deployed to final consumers. So, what are the 4 programming languages that you need to know for you to become an effective AI engineer? And one of them is Rust at number 4. AI applications need to run code and execute steps using different programming languages. One way to do it is to run sandboxes on a server, and that means that you are incurring huge financial burden in the cloud compute. You can also subscribe to plug and play sandboxes such as e2b.com. But the easiest and the cost-effective way to do it is to run the commands in the user's device natively and as fast as possible. By that, you avoid network latency and cost of operating the sandbox environment, and that is where Rust comes in. Rust is very big when it comes to native applications running in users' computer by the extension of WebAssembly, and Rust is the big thing when it comes to WebAssembly and AI engineering. Rust allows you to create cheaply and easy local sandboxes for your AI applications in users' browser and environment and run them at native speed. And that is why you need to run Rust if you want to become an effective AI engineer. And the next programming language at number 3 is SQL. SQL is the language for interacting with relational databases. AI and language models are useless without proper context. In most contexts, and data, however, lives far away from the reach of models in company databases and tabular rows and columns. Deep knowledge of SQL and database designs allows you to extract appropriate context for your AI applications, and that is a superpower. And at number 2, we have JavaScript or TypeScript. JavaScript is the programming language, and TypeScript is JavaScript with type hints. JavaScript is the de facto language for programming both the web applications and cross-platform mobile applications. For the application to become usable, you need to ship it to the user, and it is more likely that it will involve some form of JavaScript knowledge for web users and cross-platform developers. The promise of AI SDKs with native JavaScript implementation such as Vercel AI is also a big boost for JavaScript in the AI agent development cycle. The popularity of JavaScript is unprecedented and only expected to grow in the meantime. Many Python agent SDK always have JavaScript or TypeScript implementation, cementing JavaScript place in AI engineering cycle. And number 1, we have Python. Python is the king, not just for machine learning engineering, but also for AI engineering as well. It is the most popular language on the planet at the moment, and for a good reason. Has also taken the AI engineering by storm. The most popular AI agent frameworks such as LangChain, Langsmith, Crew AI, and even Pydantic AI, among others, are either only implemented in Python or were natively implemented in Python before being translated to other languages. Python's ability to interpret and integrate into data analytics and machine learning pipelines is unmatched, and the trend is not likely to slow down anytime soon. With the largest number of community contributors and open source projects, the current dominance of Python in AI engineering and machine learning is just the beginning. That's it for today. I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to leave your thoughts down below. And on that, what you think on this list. Until next time, bye.